Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Mints in Pokémon Scarlet and Violet are obtained solely as rewards from Terra Raid battles. There is no Pokémart vendor selling every nature mint. Focus on high-star Terra Raids, especially 4- and 5-star raids, because those give the best chance to drop rare items including nature mints. You can join raids online or via local wireless, invite friends, or use the X/Y menu to matchmake. Use strong counters and coordinate Terra types to clear raids faster and farm more reward rolls. To farm mints efficiently, prioritize 4-star and 5-star Terra raids because those dens have higher rarity pools for items like nature mints. Prepare a team with Terra types that counter the raid boss and bring high damage moves. Clear times under 5 minutes improve farming speed. After clearing a den, redeploy by leaving the area and reloading dens or checking the map for new raids. Use online matchmake to join coordinated teams. More clears equals more reward rolls and more mint chances. Maximize mint acquisition by joining online raids with coordinated players. Consistent victories increase the volume of reward screens you see. Inspect the reward list after each clear because nature mints appear as post-raid items. Claim and store them in your bag. For dens that appear special or rotating, save your game before engaging so you can reset if the rewards are not favorable. Track which den types and stars have given mints in your runs, and focus on those to build a reliable farm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.